What are we gonna do at the party?
Eat cookies.
Who made the cookies?
Me.
Oh, what shape are they?
Squares. Valentine's. Stars. Valentine's. Star.
Oh, what kind of cookies are they?
Chocolate ones.
Mmm, that sounds pretty yummy.
And sprinkle ones.
Oh my goodness.
These sprinkle ones.
Mmm. Are you gonna make more?
This is a plate for me.
Mmm.
Taste one. It's really good. Tastes like mint.
Tastes just like mint?
Yeah. I don't eat first.
Wow, you're eating that so fast. Emerson, these are delicious. Your sister's talking. Do you think your sister can have one?
Yeah. Think I have this one. Here, Finley. Mommy, you have this one. I have this one. They have this one.
Okay. Thank you. Finn says thank you. Here, Finn. Mmm, pretty yummy.
I can put things on like this.
Mmm, are you adding texture?
Yeah.
Texture is how something feels.
Put things on my Valentine. I put things on your Valentine too, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
Yeah, add some texture.
For you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Your sister's kind of fussy. She's fussy, isn't she?
I'm going to sing on this one.
On Finley's cookie?
Yeah.
Okay. What should we do for your fussy sister, Emerson?
She can eat it now.
Oh, she can eat the cookie? Do you think that will make her feel better?
Yeah.
Does eating cookies make you feel better?
Yeah.
Emerson, do you know how old you are?
Yeah.
How old are you?
6, 5,
6? How old are you going to be on your birthday?
7, 8, Boopa Stimpy 7.
Oh my goodness. Boy, you got to be old really fast. How'd you get so old?
What?
You got to be old really fast. How'd you get to be so old?
Cause I don't know. Cause I want to play with my fast car. And with my fast race car.
You want to play with your fast race car? What do we have to do before you play with your fast race car?
Drive it in and go to race car and then fast and too many bomb go guys doing some tape out them and go. They just do some tape too and Play-Doh and go below.
So you're going to make your red car crash into the Play-Doh bombs?
Yeah.
Oh.
And but then he do it with the motorcycle. Then we put in the apple cake. I want to get in the motorcycle.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
My boss is just guy
Oh, that's so silly.
Mommy, this is too hard. Mommy, I can pick up this mess.
No. Guess what? We can pick up the mess together. But, you've got to clean up one mess before you clean up or make another. Emerson Joel Woods, come over here, please. Help me clean up the mess. I'm going to count to 3. 1. Thank you. Yep, put the cookies in the Play-Doh jar. You're doing a good job. Look, there's Play-Doh right here. Finn's cooking. You're doing a great job. All right, I'll help.